Hey you guys, actually checking in just before we get into today's hot video. I just wanted to share a disclaimer that I'm in no way trying to steal Off-White's designs or ideas. I'm just simply trying to share some cool ass art with y'all that I think y'all would really like, and it was super easy to do. I wanted to challenge myself and see if I could do it. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, Ashley K checking in, and I'm here to share with you guys this poppin' ass tutorial that I did. It literally took me like 2 minutes, no cap. I really wanted to go ahead and challenge myself with this tutorial, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So first things first, all you need is a little crop tee, a racerback crop tee. This is what's gonna make the Off-White look like it's Off-White. You need some scissors and you need an iron. I'm just showing you guys how my racerback crop top looks. I think I got this from like Urban Behavior, some little like cheap like rainbow store a while ago. So I wanted to go ahead and try and challenge myself with this Off-White tutorial. And these actual vinyl letters are by Rowing Vinyl on Etsy. They're an actual brand. They're an actual company that does vinyl letters. So you have to go ahead and tell them what custom letters you want. And they came in clutch. Shout outs to them for these letters. They went ahead and they completely customized these letters for me. You have to tell them that you want the off design to get this look. And I'll have the dimensions and everything in the down bar of the exact sizes that I got. So the first thing you want to do is pretty much iron out your crop top. I'm sorry guys for my funny looking angle, but I had y'all propped up on something, girl, and you know we do anything for the angles, okay? So we move, all right? So yes, so I had y'all propped up on my dresser so y'all can actually see what's going on and what see. So the first thing you got to do is iron out your crop top. The next thing you want to do is measure out how you want your letters. I'm a perfectionist, you guys, so I took my time making sure that this would be straight and not looking crazy or crooked or nothing, because that would be the first thing that people would tell you, that your letters are crooked, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we don't want that. So you just want to make sure it's nice and straight and vertical, and just making sure that it's not looking crazy or crooked or anything. It does take you some time to get the perfect dimensions with this, so make sure you're taking your time and, you know, making sure that it looks perfect when you're lining it up, sis. Like, line it up, get it right. So that's what I'm doing here, making sure that it's lined up and it's perfect where I want it to go. And actually, you guys, I saw this Off-White crop top and I was literally about to buy it or whatever the case is, but I was like, you know what? You know me, I just want to get creative and I want to see if I can like DIY this, Miss DIY Queen. And I definitely slayed this DIY, you guys. So I had to go ahead and record it and show you guys for sure. I actually tested this out on a black tee to see if it will work, and it worked perfectly. So I went ahead and did it on this crop top. And the crop top, literally, you guys, is like $5, $10, and the letters alone I think were like no more than $10 as well, or not even like $5 for the two little Off-White letters. So they came in clutch. So what you want to do now is go ahead and iron out your letters with the heat press, as per usual. If you are new to my channel, we love heat pressing over here, you guys. Yes, that's what we do here. So we're gonna go ahead and press out our letters with the iron. So you want to do this for about a minute on there, and then you want to take the iron off. So you're gonna see me take the iron off for another minute and kind of let that cool down, and then I'll go back in again for another minute. So as you guys can see, I'm taking it off, and then I'm gonna iron other pieces of the shirt, and then I'm gonna go back over it. So the way the heat press sticks the most is when you let it cool off and kind of let the heat kind of come off of it so it can kind of heal onto the shirt, if that makes any sense. And then you want to keep checking. So right now I peeled it off, and as you guys can see, I'm going to check to see if the letters are dry, and they're not completely dry yet, so I'm going to go back over it for another minute with the heat press. So that's how you get your letters to fully stick, is you got to let it breathe a little bit and then go back with your iron. So that's what I'm doing here, just going back over it, making sure that it can heal properly onto the shirt. And then I'm going to check again for one final time, and it should be all healed up and dry and ready to go, sis. Okay. And excuse my bonnet. Okay, you guys, I was getting ready to go out, so I wanted to go ahead and just do something real quick and fast. So while I was getting ready, so that's what you see here. But yes, as you guys can see, she is dry. She's ready to go. Okay. Yes, and if you guys need to go back over it a few times with the iron, that's totally fine too. Make sure that you have your crop top being dry. It doesn't matter how many times you can go over it, as long as you are going over it and making sure your letters are dry. So that's what you guys can see here. I went over it for a third time, and that's totally fine too. And I'm just cutting off that itchy tag in the back of the crop top that just be hanging out. That's one of the reasons why I never wear this crop top, is because that itchy tag. So I'm just getting rid of that. And yeah, girl, do you see how cute that is? Okay, girl, she came out popping way better than what I anticipated, you guys. Way better than what I anticipated. Like, it turned out so good, and I can't wait to wear this and style this crop top. I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but it just turned out so fire. That's a close-up view of her. Y'all can't tell me nothing, sis. Like, it looks so cute, and literally under $5, honey. Like, where we do that at? Okay, only on this channel. Okay, make sure you are subscribed and are liking for more content like this, you guys. You know, I be coming with the heat. I stay with the heat. All right, you guys. So make sure you are tuned in so you don't miss another video like this, you guys. I love my crop top so much, and I know you guys will love yours too. Okay, you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you all.